been unboxing a lot of things, so maybe it would be difficult to get surprised. Right. Well, let's see. Nice feeling of the box. Wow. That's pretty cool. Right. Salute to speed. That's heavy. Big. Oh. Okay. Whoa, the phone is here. Okay. So what else is in the box then? Okay. Yeah. My favorite case. New style of cable. Wow, it's really all changed. The Christmas price. Okay. Right, it really looks fascinating. I gotta admit, the box, it makes the whole thing really special. Start discovering. Okay, that's something new. AR. Let's see. Ooh. So how did you do that? Wow, okay. It's probably the most unique kind of unboxing I've ever seen. Does that go? Oh yeah, it does. I wanted to see the launcher. It's different and it feels as snappy as a OnePlus device. Is that visible? The 10 gigs of RAM. Exceeds expectations, I guess, the whole unboxing. I never thought unboxing can be so entertaining, and I'm amazed.